drop a like and do share. Leave your comments and do not forget to subscribe for more videos.
Hi, I'm Dr. Nidhi Khare. Now, as managers look for organizational designs that will best support and facilitate employees doing their work efficiently and effectively in today's dynamic environment, certain challenges arise with which they must contend. So today's lecture relates to getting an understanding of what are the challenges faced in designing an organizational system. Now, these challenges include designing office space, keeping employees connected, building a learning organization, and managing global structural issues. Now, let's come to designing office space. Office space has always been a battle between freeing employees to work and maximizing space to minimize costs. Now let's understand what are the three major office styles. First is action office. As you can see from the picture, I'll talk about it later on in detail. Cube office, collaborative office. Now let's have a comparison of the major office styles. So here you can see a comparative understanding of the three major office styles that I mentioned in the previous slide. Now these are the action office, the cube form, and the collaborative office, which is the present structure that is followed now. Now in this chart you can see the space and the cost involved, and what each office style has got right and what each office style has got wrong. So you can go through this. Now we'll take each of these in detail. In the early 1900s, Frederick Taylor suggested that properly organized offices would boost productivity. In 1964, Herman Miller designed the action office with clusters of barrier-free offices. Openness and proximity were meant to break down barriers and encourage meaningful traffic. And when the furniture was reduced in size and interlocked a few years later, the action office really took off. Now let's understand the other type of organizational design, which is the cube form. The cube form was the next phase, as furniture firms were imitating Miller's design and using cheaper materials to make mass cubicles. Now today's office spaces are collaborative, accommodating virtual workers with group spaces to engineer interaction and to foster creativity. Now these two pictures will give you an idea of the present form of collaborative office. Now, International Design from Gensler conducted a study in 2013 that found workers spent about 1/4 of their workday collaborating and more than half of it in deep focus. And what does this mean? This means that employers need to provide office environments that facilitate interaction while allowing freedom from interruptions. So we'll discuss this in detail in the next lecture.